Hi guys, welcome to a short video about the GoPro HERO Black and some night star viewing. A viewer of my channel has requested me to make a footage from the night sky with the new GoPro HERO 10 Black, and now I've been doing that. I don't know if some people are interested into that, maybe nobody's watching it, but I thought it could be an interesting topic. So I started doing a normal 4K video with normal standard video settings, and this is what you can see here. It's pitch dark, there is nothing to see. I mean, I've been recording this in my backyard with no light, of course. I mean, it was not totally dark, but I think it was dark enough. But yeah, the video, as far as I can see, doesn't show any stars at all. Maybe one or two very bright ones, which are planets, not stars or so. Then my second video is also 4K, but with the highest ISO, which is, I think, 6400 with the new GoPro. I mean, it's basically one of the ProTune settings of the old GoPro, but it's not called ProTune anymore. There are just a lot of settings around, and one of them is the ISO. And so I increased it to 6400, and now it's showing something. At least I think there is one star or one planet visible, but it has also a lot of strange things like artifacts or so. I mean, I wasn't using some infrared or something like that. I mean, it also doesn't have like infrared recording on the GoPro. So the GoPro is just trying to squeeze everything out of the CCD, and it looks like, yeah, it's not very successful with that. So I figured there must be something better than that, and I switched to the night lapse, which is one of the functions with the time lapse, night lapse, and those things, time warp, one of the three basic settings which the GoPro 10 has. And I've been using the 10-second shutter, and I was using the 1080p, and it was definitely better now. So I switched then to even a 30 seconds shutter, but I think it's not much of a difference. I went also to 4K instead of 1080p, but it was just a very short time lapse. So I decided to make a final one with 4K and 10-second shutter, but for 30 minutes instead of just a couple of seconds, and then repeat this here in this video. So we are here now with the night lapse, 10-second shutter, 4K, and a 30 minutes video, which resulted just, of course, in a couple of seconds of video length. I think it's about 6, 7, yeah, maybe 10 seconds or so, and then after that it repeats in this video. But I think it's pretty good. I've tried to retain the 4K. I mean, my monitor and everything is not 4K, but in the video editor I tried to retain the 4K, so you can judge on your own if you have 4K. And of course it was not a perfect situation. I'm just in the backyard. There was not a lot of illumination, but on the left side you can see the moon was already coming up, and it was really a bright moon, so definitely quite some interference from the moon. But apart from that, I think it's not too bad. It can be done better, but I think it's a start. Maybe I'll keep going with that, maybe also with some different settings, and maybe in better time, better environment or so. But I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.